Prepare for an exhilarating driving experience as Toyota introduces the 2024 Toyota Yaris GR Sport Hybrid. This small hatchback is not just a vehicle. It's a fusion of sportiness, efficiency, and cutting-edge hybrid technology. In this review, we delve into the features that make the Yaris GR Sport Hybrid a standout in the world of compact hatchbacks. Dynamic exterior design. The 2024 Yaris GR Sport Hybrid boasts a dynamic exterior design that reflects its sporty nature. The hatchback is adorned with exclusive GR Sport accents, including a distinctive front grille, aerodynamic enhancements, and stylish alloy wheels. The sleek lines and compact dimensions contribute to an agile and athletic appearance, setting the stage for a thrilling driving experience. Hybrid performance. Under the hood, the Yaris GR Sport Hybrid combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor, resulting in a potent and efficient powertrain. The hybrid system not only enhances fuel efficiency but also provides an instant torque response, delivering a burst of acceleration that adds a sporty edge to every drive. The Yaris GR Sport Hybrid is not just about eco-friendly commuting. It's about embracing the joy of driving. Sport-tuned suspension. To complement its sporty character, the Yaris GR Sport Hybrid features a sport-tuned suspension system. This setup ensures precise handling, responsive steering, and a connected feel with the road. Whether navigating city streets or winding country roads, the Yaris GR Sport Hybrid offers a dynamic and engaging driving experience. Driver-focused interior. Step inside the Yaris GR Sport Hybrid, and you'll find a driver-focused interior designed for both comfort and control. The sport-inspired seats, unique upholstery, and GR badging create an immersive and stylish cabin. The modern infotainment system, coupled with intuitive controls, ensures that the driver remains connected and entertained during every journey. Tech-savvy features. Toyota has equipped the Yaris GR Sport Hybrid with a range of tech-savvy features. The infotainment system supports smartphone integration, providing seamless connectivity on the go. Advanced driver assistance features, including lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking, contribute to the overall safety and convenience of the hatchback. Efficient and eco-friendly. While delivering a thrilling driving experience, the Yaris GR Sport Hybrid remains committed to efficiency and eco-friendliness. The hybrid system optimizes fuel consumption, reducing emissions and contributing to a cleaner environment. This hatchback is a testament to Toyota's dedication to sustainable mobility without compromising performance. In conclusion, the 2024 Toyota Yaris GR Sport Hybrid is a small hatchback that redefines the concept of a sporty and eco-friendly driving experience. With its dynamic design, hybrid performance, and tech-savvy features, the Yaris GR Sport Hybrid is set to capture the hearts of drivers who seek both efficiency and excitement. Share your thoughts on this exciting small hatchback in the comments below, and join the conversation as we celebrate Toyota's commitment to pushing the boundaries of compact hybrid performance.